I know, I'm making a movie after this. Look at this. I can't even do anything. That's everything is glitching. Look at this. Look at this run. I'm just gonna run back and forth here. They're bad too. They do it on purpose. You go in theater, you could watch it. I know theater. Look at this. Look at this. I'm trying to get proof and play. Can't even move. Look, I'm still lagging. Oh yeah, I can record. These guys play perfect. Just die. See this? Look, here's a cord. I've been sending a PlayStation. See, they just flooded. I'm out again. Got it this time though. Got the flood this time. I didn't. Oh my god. See? Are you serious? That's all you're gonna do? That's all you're gonna do. Look, here it is right now. Got it perfectly. They wanted to test it too. Okay. Let's go sign back in. See what's happening. Back in now. Oh. And flood every second. So now it'll probably work good. I don't know. It's probably not what they're doing. Keep flooding. Sure, alright, I'm back. I'm coming. Okay, I'm back in the game. I got flooded. I have proof of that, so